Okay, for this daily sketch, we just have this pen. This is a really simple one. We're basically looking at the angle. So take your pencil, hold it up to the picture, and look at that angle of the pen. Okay? And what I like to do is section it off. So this would be the top of the pen, then I have, I guess this is an eraser even though it's a pen. And so this is the body of it. Then you come in a bit, and you've got this metal part of the pen. And then this is like one of those old-fashioned calligraphy pens. So I'm just going to kind of guide myself and draw this curve here, even though you don't see it on the actual piece, just to show me that width and try and get that the same on both sides. And then it comes to a point and you've got this cool little ball at the end. Okay, so that's how I section off the pen to make sure I'm accurate. And then that line that I've drawn, I can go back through and erase it. That was my guide. And this pen, because you know this drawing is just a sketch, and so I kind of like the idea. I've changed the shape just a little bit from the original picture that I'm looking at, but that this isn't ruler straight. You've got these nice soft lines that kind of curve, makes it style of your own. This is really nice and soft. It curves around this metal. Now I'm going to erase these lines I did in the middle. Unless you're like, I like them, I want to leave them, then go ahead and leave them. The most important thing to remember is you really want each curve to mimic the curve up above, so that it continues down. So that curve is the same as that curve, is the same as that curve, this one, and that one. If I were to straighten one of those out, it would look incorrect. So you really have to continue that curve. Anything that would have an ellipse, right, that we've talked about before. Okay, then that's your top. And then there's little details like this little clip. And this does have a bit of a line just at the bottom. I'm going to make my lines a little darker. And then I can add, they just have some line work to gesture shading. I kind of like how they did that.
Sydney Adam, come to the office.
I like that you can
Sydney
put
Adam, come to the office.
A heavy line on one side, and that kind of gives that indication that that is a shaded area.
Please come to the office, Stephen.
Okay, and then they've got this shadow coming off over here from the pen, and that's it.